Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start now. Verify that your computer's graphics output supports DisplayPort 1, 2, or later with MSD. You need either a monitor with DP out for daisy chaining or an external DisplayPort MSD hub. Once done, power off the system, connect the primary monitor to the GPU's DP out, and route a second DP cable from the first monitor's DP out to the second monitor's DP in, or attach both monitors to the MSD hub's DP outputs. Make sure all cables are snug. With cables connected, boot the system and install or update your GPU drivers. This enables MSD support and fixes compatibility issues. Next, open each monitor's on-screen display and enable DisplayPort 1, 2, or MSD where required. Some panels default to older modes. Once enabled, Windows or your OS should detect both screens. In display settings, choose Extended Desktop and arrange the monitors to match their physical layout so the cursor flows naturally from one to the other. Finish by setting per monitor resolution and refresh rate in your operating system, making sure they match each panel's native specs for clarity and smooth motion. If daisy chaining isn't supported by the monitor, swap to an MSD hub so each monitor gets a separate output from one DP port. If only one monitor appears, power cycle the displays, receipt cables, and confirm DP1. 2/MSD is enabled. Often a faulty cable or disabled MSD is the single cause. Replace the cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.